Install this American Thunder system, part number 817567, Flowmaster on a Ford F-150. Hope you guys like it. Let us know in the comments what you guys think of the sound once it's done. 2010 Ford F-150 with stock catalytic converters. We just installed 3-inch American Thunder Flowmaster kit, 3-inch intermediate pipe into a 3-inch inlet, 3-inch outlet 50 series Outlaw muffler Flowmaster, into a 3-inch tailpipe and a 4-inch rolled edge tip. Beautiful. Hope you guys like it. Let us know in the comments what you guys think. 2010 King Ranch F-150. We just did the Flowmaster Thunder series. Outlaw Thunder. Flowmaster always delivers with a really nice deep tone. F-4 F-150 2010 King Ranch edition. Sounds absolutely beautiful, nice and deep. That 3-inch system gives it a really deep tone.